All right, let's open a position. I'm going to keep this super practical and walk it the way you'd actually do it on a real day. You've basically got two ways to start. You can begin and explore pools to get the big picture, or you can go straight to open position and pick the pair and pool right there. If you're not totally sure yet, start and explore pools. This is the full pool list we support on the site, and we keep it intentionally small and mostly blue chips, so you get a better farming experience. Up top, use the filters to narrow things down. You can look at all pairs, only USDC pairs, or only WETH-based pairs. And you can filter by DEX too, like if you only want to see aerodrome pools. Then sort the list depending on how you'd like to compare your options. You can sort APR high to low or TVL high to low, so you can find the pools that are actually worth clicking into. When you click a pair, it expands into the pools you can use. Each pool shows TVL and the latest APR. Click a pool and the detailed metrics update down below. You'll also see an earnings preview for a $1,000 position using a plus or minus 10% range, 10% above and 10% below current price. Then hit View Details or go straight to Open Position. All right, now let's jump into Open Position. If you came here from Explore Pools, Open Position will auto-select the pair and pool you already chose, so you're basically landing right into setup. If you came here directly, you can pick any pair from the list, and then pick any pool from the pool list. That list shows handy figures like TVL, volume, and current APRs. Once you select a pool, you'll see the key pool metrics on screen: current price, 24-hour volume, 24-hour fees, and total liquidity. You'll also see tick spacing, and you can hit the info icon for a quick tooltip on what it means. For ranges, you have a few easy options. Use sliders, set a simple percent above and below price, or toggle off symmetric and set an asymmetric range. You can also type prices directly, and if it snaps a bit, that's normal because of tick spacing. One of the best parts here is the chart. You can see your range on the price chart, and you can even drag the range on the chart. Hit Expand for the bigger chart view, where you can turn on volume, show the liquidity distribution, and even add indicators like moving averages, VWAP, Bollinger Bands, RSI. When you get your range just right, set your deposit amount with a quick amount or a custom amount. Then check estimated APR and the daily, weekly, monthly potential earnings, since those are based on what you're depositing. After that, look below for the instant backtest area with 7, 30, 60, and 90-day views to see how this setup would have performed historically. Once you're satisfied, click Open Position. Review the modal details, then sign 2 transactions. First the approval, then the Open Position transaction. Once it lands, your position will show up in My Positions. That's your home base. Range status, fees, quick actions, all of it. And in the next video, we're going to cover My Positions in detail, so you know exactly what you're looking at and how to manage day to day without getting overwhelmed.